Hey there, and welcome to exercise number 31. In this one, we need to write a function named countPageViews that receives three parameters. The first one is named pageViews and is an array of objects describing views of our page. Just imagine you're using some analytics software like Google Analytics and you have views from various countries at various times and so on. So each object in our array contains the number of views from a particular country at a particular time and has the following properties, and you can see them down here. Now the second parameter of our function is named country and is a string representing a country code. And finally, the third parameter is called interval and is an object with two other properties, startDate and endDate, each of them dates. The function should return the number of page views from that country between those two dates. So basically we want to see, okay, I have this interval and I have this country. I need to know the total number of views from that country in that interval. Now, below we have an example. So if this is our page views array, so we have 5 elements here, and the country we care about is Romania, and the interval we care about is starting on May 1st, 2023, and ends on May 12, 2023, then the correct result should be 171. And if we look here in the input, we can see we have 3 items from Romania, so the first one, the third one, and the last one, but the last one is on May 12 at this time, so 3 p.m. in the afternoon, while this time here is 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So we ignore this one, we only count the other 2 items from Romania that are in the interval, and if we add them together we get 104 plus 67, we got this one, 171. Now, if you want to solve this exercise for yourself, click on the link in the description. If not, keep watching. I want to go here into the code area, and the first thing I want to do is filter the views, only keep the ones from the country I care about and from the interval I care about. So I'm going to say const filtered views is equal to pageViews dot filter, and I'm going to say view, and I'm going to return view.country is equal to country, and view.date is bigger or equal than interval.startDate, and view.date is less or equal than interval.endDate. Now, after those are done, after this filter runs, here we get only the views that we're interested about. So let me add them together. So I'm going to say let total views is 0, and I'm going to say filtered views dot for each, and here I'm going to get a view, and I'm going to do total views plus equals view dot count. And finally, we're going to return total views. Now let's test our function before running it. So let's do console log countPageViews of, and first I'm going to put here an array, and then I'm going to put a country. So let's say country, Romania, and count is 10, and date is new date of 2024, let's say 1st of January. And then we got another views from Romania. This is from 2nd of January, and this is from 3rd, and we got 20 and 30. Then let's say the country we care about is Romania, and the interval is an object with start date. Let's say we want to count from 2nd of January till let's say 5th of January. So we only care about the views from Romania between 2nd and 5th of January. And if we look here, we get 20 plus 30. That's 50. That's correct. Now let's say we care about the views starting from 2nd of January 2023, and we get 60. That's correct. Now let's try a different country that doesn't exist. So let's say USA, and we get 0. That's correct. We have no views from the United States between this period. So this looks good. I'm going to test the solution, and voila, it works. Cheers, and see you in the next one.